Lunch idea for rainy days. Kaya naman mo tayo guys ng ng patchoy o pechay dahil maglalaksa noodles tayo today. Dahil medyo malamig. Yan. Ang ating menu for today. Pero ang ganda ng kailan ko guys. Oh. Ayan. So, I think dagdagan ko na lang siya yung ating patchoy ng kailan. Should be, it's okay. Hindi naman makikibo ang ating laksa noodles. Pagdalhin natin ito. So, okay na. Para meron pa tayong pipitasin. Panahog lang naman, meron pa tayong bean sprout there. Details for today. Yan po ang ating lunch ideas. Explore nyo, ayan, explore na naman tayo sa food and cravings. Where's the veggies? This is our veggies from my little garden. Is mixed kailan and patchoy. Ayan, hinugasan natin siya sa cold water. Now, ito yung soup base natin. Done. Dahil wala tayong laksa paste, ito na gawin natin, para lang yan. Make it happen. Any ingredients can make it actually. As long as it's slightly same ingredients inside, pwede mo siyang gawin. I-mix na natin yung laksa paste, ay yung ating curry paste, ayan. So, na-smelt na siya. Add half of this coconut milk. More. This looks good. Now we taste it. Oh man, it's just a laksa. The fish ball. Add the fish ball. And then, add na rin natin yung tofu, no? Para maluto na rin siya. Here. Now, we can add the prawn. So, blanch for a while ang ating veggies. Yung mag-change lang yung kulay niya. To change the color, and that's it. Ating noodles, nalalagyan ng soup now. The soup is done. So, let's switch off. Here, ready to serve. So, we have some tofu. Fish bowl. That's a lot. Fish bowl. This fish bowl is good quality. It's from Singapore, guys. And I love it. Quality. Soup, of course, that's the soup who make the whole thing so good. And of course, the prawn. Shrimp. Oh, it's nice. Presenting my laksa noodles. Yummy.